Alright, so we just got to Homeport, Kirkland, here where the boat is at, right underneath Anthony's. And we're gonna go to the boat, get that baby started up, and take her over to Seattle for the haul out. Welcome to Homeport, Kirkland, baby. We got our firefighter jet boats, or jet skis right here, you know, so if you have an emergency out on the water, you call 911. These bad boys are gonna come get you out here in Lake Washington. Pretty dope. I wish I had one, to be honest.
Yeah, those things are pretty sweet. Yeah.
You know, and then if you wanna, you know, if you're a sailor, you wanna be a part of the sailboat rental program, you got all these little sailboats out here. There's a ghost sailing thing, be a part of that. Then you have to buy a boat, just be a part of the boat rental program. They have all kinds of boat share programs out here you can be a part of. You don't even have to buy a boat. But today is the day that y'all could rent this boat out for the low price of $300 an hour and hire me as a captain for $75 an hour. And for 4 hours for, I don't know, $1,500, you could rent out the 37-foot Eos over here. Sounds like a lot of money.
That sounds like a low price.
Low price of $2,000. And you can have a big ass boat for a day. I don't know. I mean, it's either that or buying a $50,000 boat.
Yeah, then you're way deeper.
I don't know. The haul out and everything is probably going to cost like $3,000. Look at the bottom paint on this thing. It really needs to be done.
Ooh, yeah, it's pretty rough. All right.
MTV cribs here, or MTV boats, you know, welcome to my yacht. It's not really mine, but we're gonna take this boy over to Canal shipyard. Now welcome aboard, come check it out. You know, we got the living room right here. You know, this is where you and your homies can hang out, listen to music while the boat's cruising. And then here, follow me. You got your kitchen down here, little mini fridge going on. Need some pineapple juice. We got you.
Just need the bottle next to it.
And then we got the bathroom and the shower right here. I don't know if it comes out, the light's probably already been turned on. And then you have a bedroom right here we use for storage primarily. It's pretty good size. And then the V berth up here is also pretty good size too. Engines warm up, make sure the blowers are turned on. And then, yeah, she's running. We gotta check for water. That's important.
Gotta make sure there's water coming out of the exhaust.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it very well on this side, but.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's nice and warm. The other side. Check the other side. I can already see it.
Yep, spitting water.
Looking pretty good.
Definitely need some paint.
Yeah, that's what we're doing this week. over some payment, billing information, some logistics stuff, and get this boat out of the water so we can start working on the bottom that's under the water right now. Do some bottom paint.
Good morning. We are back for another day. This is day 2 on the haul out, and I drove back home to my trailer last night and to get a good night's rest before I hit it hard for another day of bottom sanding out here in the Pacific Northwest Seattle area. You gotta love it, man. Gotta love this stuff. There's always some hard work that you gotta put in to that beautiful dream that everybody wants. So this is me doing the hard work nobody else really wants to do, so we can live that dream of boat life, if you know what I'm saying. So hit that like, hit that comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you want to be updated when I release new videos. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright, have a good rest of your day. Don't work too hard, don't strain yourself. Our bodies need to heal, and it's very important that we don't overwork ourselves, but we still gotta grind and get stuff done. So here's me grinding, getting work done. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you later.
Through the after shot here. Excuse me, Gabriel. We're out here in the middle of Lake Union right now. We just dropped the boat in at the ship canal, and we're like the only ones out here on the lake. I mean, other than the people that have their boats on the shore and marinas. There's maybe like one other little boat way out there in front of Gasworks Park. But we got this whole lake to ourselves right now. Like Lake Union, baby. Oh wait, no, we got a pump out little boat. One little pump out boat, pumping people's poop out of their boats. We should actually have him do this, but we need. Oh, where is a pump out?
Seattle pump out.
Dude, we need to find a pump out. Actually,
I got their number.